how to use Discord on PS5. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can use Discord on PS5, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you can't really go ahead and use Discord on PS5 because Discord is not usable, but however you can actually connect your PSN account to your Discord account so that whatever things that you are playing on PS5 will actually show up on your Discord online status. So in order to do this, you can just make sure to click the gear icon that you can find here, and once you click the gear icon over here, you'll be able to find this option called users and accounts, and then make sure to just click on it. When you click the users and accounts section over here, you'll be able to see this option called linked services. Make sure to click on linked services over here, and then you'll be able to see Discord. And once you select this option called Discord, you can basically click the link account option. In order to link it, of course, enter this code and you'll move on to the next screen on this PS5, or you can simply go ahead and simply scan this QR code from discord.com/activate on your mobile device or computer, and your Discord account will get linked to your PS5, and next time whenever you're playing a stated game, it's going to show up as your online status on Discord by default. This way you will be able to use Discord on PS5. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.